Investigation part.
Compound interest is the cost of money, benefit, or utility of a major initial capital or an interest rate for a period.
This is a formula for the interest compound continuously, where P is the principal amount, R is the annual interest rate, T is the number of years, and A is the amount after time T.
Exponential growth is a system in which the amount being added to the system is proportional to the amount already present. The bigger the system is, the greater the increase.
This is a formula for the exponential growth, where A is the new amount, P is the principal amount, T is time, and R is rate. The following graph represents the exponential growth with the relative growth rate.
Radioactive decay is a spontaneous disintegration of a radionuclide with the emission of energetic particles or radiation.
These are the formulas for the half-life and the radioactive decay. Flowchart.
Read the problem and analyze it.
Investigate all about Thorium-234.
Relate to the topic seen in class, logarithm and exponential function.
Identify the values and variables state the question.
Remember the equation and formulas.
Substitute the value of T and solve it.
Find and investigate the theory part.
Correct mistakes.
Sketch the graph.
And the end.
Problem application.
How much will be remaining after 30 days? So first, we have to analyze the formula, and we have to substitute the days in the variable t that is 3 time, and it will be like multiply this amount times 30, and it will be this amount, and then this amount, then we have to elevate 2.71 to this amount, and finally the result of this two will be multiplied by 40, and the final result will be 70.245 grams of mass.
For 60 and 90 days, you have to do the same procedure in the same equation. These are the results from 60 and 90.
Half-life of the thorium. For finding the half-life of the thorium, we need to pass the 40 to this side of the equation, and the result is 1/2. Then we need to add in both sides natural logarithm, and it is eliminated. The result is this one, and we have to pass dividing this quantity. And finally, this is the result in days. Graphs. This graph represents the base formula for the problem. This is the second graph with corrections. Decaying of the graphs.
For instance, we can appreciate that both graphs are decreasing, but the graph that presents a faster decay is letter T. This can be explained because you are adding 80 allocate or 4% to the formula of the graph,
Other uses in life?
Life could be in the area of astronomy, medicine when you have to count the amount of cells, in finance when you have big numbers of the entire world, so you have to make them smaller, and etc.
Conclusion. With this project, we learned more about the topic seen in class. We didn't have troubles with the problem. This method helps us to understand when and where we can use it. It can be applied in a lot of jobs. The compound interest is very useful in the area of business and bank accounts. With this project, we understand better the topic, and it was simple to solve. We made the flowchart to analyze what we need to do in the problem, and the investigation part helped us to know more about it. And that's all. Thank you very much.